Top 5 Best Softwares for YouTube Video Editing. Hello and welcome to Tech Biggest YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. The best software for editing videos for YouTube includes a range of programs and tools that are all designed to make a budding YouTuber's life that little bit easier. Whether you're a 4K crunching pro or just starting out with your webcam, these are the tools that will help you cut together your YouTube videos. We've included all the leading video editing programs in this video, but we're aware that not everyone has a lot of money to spend on software. So while we've got paid subscription services like Adobe Premiere Pro, and programs with a one-off cost like Final Cut Pro, we've also made sure to include a range of free options, for those whose budget is absolutely nothing. This means there's something for everyone, from professional YouTubers to casual, occasional vloggers. Number 1, Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is so fully featured that it can sometimes be a little intimidating. If you're completely new to video editing, there are a few simpler tools on our list that might be worth considering instead. Premiere Pro, like the majority of Adobe offerings now, is no longer available as a standalone purchase, and needs to be bought as part of a Creative Cloud opens a new tab, subscription. The good part of this is that you get all the latest updates the instant they're available, while the less good part is that you can end up spending a lot of money on it over a lifetime. Number 2, Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro offers support for 4K, 360-degree video and HDR, as well as providing multi-channel audio tools, noise reduction and advanced color grading. Its magnetic timeline system is very intuitive, making it easy to find various scenes and shots and move them around. Plus, even though it's not subscription software, updates tend to be free, so you can be sure you're always using the most advanced version. Number 3, Premiere Elements. If you're just starting out editing video, you'll want something simpler than the first two tools on our list. Adobe's Premiere Elements is a stripped-down version of Premiere Pro, so you get all the standard tools you need for video editing, in a simpler interface, and at a one-off price rather than a subscription. Beginners will appreciate the easy-to-follow interface, clear navigation, video creation wizard, step-by-step tutorials and choice of 3 editing modes. For those with a little more experience, Elements comes with a number of clever and useful features, such as face detection, audio effects and soundtracks, noise reduction, automatic feature detection and guided edits. Number 4, Pinnacle Studio. Pinnacle Studio from Corel is another good choice for beginners editing YouTube videos. This reliable professional video editing software is not as powerful as some of the other titles on this list, but its nicely organized and user-friendly interface makes it good for first-timers. Once you've spent a bit of time with it, you can graduate to the more advanced features at the higher price tier, including keyframing controls, dynamic video masking and 360 VR editing. Latest model, Pinnacle Studio 25, added smart object tracking, new blend modes, enhanced video masking and improved performance overall. Number 5, Cyberlink PowerDirector 365. Another popular video editing program that's worth considering for your YouTube videos is Cyberlink PowerDirector 365. This mid-market software is available for a very affordable subscription, despite including some advanced features such as multicam editing, motion tracking and 360-degree editing. If you need to create a video very quickly, there's a mini program, slightly hidden inside the Easy Editor, called the Magic Movie Wizard, which uses clever tech to automatically combine your photos and clips in a matter of minutes. When it comes to proper video editing, there's a fairly flat learning curve, plus lots of tutorials to help you build your skills. That brings us to the end of this video. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.